Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Today we have come to walk in a nature discovery center. I've been here before, but today I just decided to come and take a video so I can show you my people where we are. Let me show you where we are. See? This is where we are, Natural Discovery Center. It's directing us where to start. There's a pond, a very big one. The last time I was here, maybe it was last year. Yeah, maybe it was last year. But it's a very nice area, full of nature. See, alongside there's a lot of trees. And people, they come and walk around here, so they enjoy the nature. You can come with your pack lunch, or even in the evening, not only lunchtime. You can sit here with friends and talk and discuss about what is happening there. There is a place for children to enjoy. If you come with the children as well, because even our children, they need to learn the beautiful of preserving the nature, or the beautiful of just staying in a quiet area like this when you are thinking, when you are learning. And there's a restaurant in here as well, so you can come and learn how people, they come and relax while they are thinking, or when it's summer like this, people, they come and enjoy the weather. Look at the big pond and look at the ducks, and these are the few information you can get, how many ducks are in this pond. This is a man-made pond, but look how it is, how beautiful it is. It's beautiful. And this is the cafe, and if you want any information about this area, you can come there and ask. And look how they protect this area from soil erosion. So you can come around here. Look at this. Look at this. The amount of ducks. See, some people, they come with their books, come here to study. Here they are telling you what to feed the ducks. You don't just come here with anything and feed the ducks, only these. What you can use to feed the ducks. Look at that. There's baby ducks. Very. I think there's a meeting today they are doing with Oxfordshire Wildlife today.
Oh, so that was an outtake. And then we got a really nice one. Oh, this one's nice. Again, volumes of it.
I think they're coming to do something. See, that's where they are. Let me take their poster here so you can see what I meant when I'm saying they are people from Oxford, Buckinghamshire, because this part is part of the Oxford and somehow. See? That is their poster that is showing people that they are here. That's why even today you cannot park here. Sometimes when you come, you're allowed to park here, but there are so many cars, so they even say we cannot park here. It's only for the visitors who are coming to work for Oxfordshire. They are allowed to park around here. I think they are part of this nature discovery nowadays. Before they were not here. See, their name is there as well. Their logo. So you can come here and walk around. Most when school holidays start, here they will be full of children coming to see the nature, coming to learn. You know, that's why they are very good when it comes to protect the nature. You cannot just come here and do the bad thing. You can't. They love protect their nature. Look at that. Look at that. And all the rubbish need to go and throw there. Even the dog poo in that green bin. So you go and throw your rubbish there, your poo, a dog poo. Look at that. And these are the new trees they are getting planted. New trees. Look at that. Soon you will see the trees are merging nature. Look at this. You are not allowed to swim in that pond, but if the child or whatever, they can run and drop in that. There's something you come and pull from here. Then it will ring the bell to alert the elders who are safeguarding here to come and help and rescue the child. Look at that. So this is what I'm showing you today. We all learn together, as always say. My channel is gonna be for leisure and learning, and try to learn things which we have been learning for years, which they are not helping us. Those are the things which we need to learn, because we know it's some of us, where we come from, we've got very beautiful areas which need to be protected by the government, by us, but we are the one, we don't protect. Sometimes we are the one, we are causing damage to the environment. Or we sell everything to the foreigners, and we when they say you cannot pass here, we start quarreling with them. Don't forget, when you sell something to somebody, they've got their own decision to make. You sell me a land and I am building my house. I can tell you cannot come around here because it's mine. But there are some law need to be flexible. You tell them that even if we sell you, but this can be shared by the community as well, so they are aware of what they are doing, and it should be documented, not just a word of mouth. That's where we go wrong with these people. Everything should be documented, because they know there's a time which the challenge can come. They've got a paperwork which can defend them. So these are the things which I want you, my people, we learn together, because even me, I'm learning. See, like here, it's a nice area. Look at that. Look at that. They call them, these are residents of this pond. the birds. The Wildlife Trust, they call the birds, they're the residents. Look how people do. They come and donate the benches. If you want to be remembered, you come and drop a bench. So when people they sit here, they will say because of so and so. Like this one is for a brother, a son, and an uncle. Is for one person, which the family they came and built this. They said, goodbye is not forever. Goodbye is not the end. We will sit here and remember you until we meet again. Can you see that message? It's very beautiful. That's what we say. How are you going to be remembered? Have you done anything good where people they can remember you?
Oh, good boy, Cooper. Good boy.
You need to do something to be remembered. Where people they come, they walk. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So that's how you can say, how do you want to be remembered? The people are coming here to walk with their dogs. This is a big thing for them. They love dogs. They love animals, but dogs are the most. Someone can push a baby on the pushchair, and another dog is on the side. That's how it is. But it's okay. It's their choice. This is another message. It's a loving memory of Lizzie Menzi. Oh, mother to Kim, Ava and Louise, grandmother to Joshua and Alex. See? You know, sometimes this is like an offering as well, because you never know how, when people they sit there, some they are coming with proper mental illness, but they just want to come and to be healed. When they walk here bare feet, or when they walk here, God can meet them into their point of need. But if you can do that, you know, it will make some sense. That's the thing people they need to understand. Look at this. If we get this awareness all the time, it will help us. It will help us, especially in when we are facing some challenges. You know, us when we see trees, just very few understand what the meaning of it, but most they just want to cut, make charcoal. They just want to cut and go and sell woods. But at least now we see different videos how people they protect their nature, especially around the nature where there's like a where there's a spring, where the source of the water coming from. Those are the areas which need to be protected a lot, because one thing goes off, that's it. Then most of the people they will suffer. Look at that. This is from the other end as well. Look at that. So that's the beautiful nature. This is said in a loving memory of Roy Mott. Wow. From 19, okay, no, he was born in 1945 and he died in 2015. who loved to walk here. Wow. Okay, so he loved to walk around here. That's why they brought the bench. Isn't it that beautiful? Look at the people who are coming in front with their children. Oh, this one has fallen down. It has given up. Wow. When I see this, it's just reminding me about the Bible, which is saying that we can be planted alongside by the river. Look at this. It has been fallen, but it still has got green leaves, so it means it's still living. Look at that. Look at that. You know, sometimes there's these things we see. You need to see them in spirit, because if you see them in flesh, it won't make sense. But if you see in spirit, then you can translate very easily and very good. Like you feel yourself that you are planted by the river. You are planted but by next to the word of God, and you take it in practice. Look at that. Wow. Can you see the island there? In the middle. You can see it's full of bush. Wow.
Again.
Look at this, my people. Wow. It is just beautiful. Look at that. Let us continue to walk around the nature discovery. That's what they call this place, nature discovery. Wow, it's just too beautiful. Look at that. You imagine, not every day, most of the time you come here and walk. Look at the birds, the ducks. There are so many. It's just too good to learn things. Hello, how are you? Let's see the ducks here together. I forgot I could bring a bread. Every time I do forget, you know. This is not like normal to us. So sometimes we just push ourselves. Look at the ducks. They are just coming in bulk now, thinking I've got something to feed them. I'm sorry, I've forgotten a bread. Oh, shame. Wow. Wow. Look at that. See? Yeah, people, they can come and sit down and have a picnic. Wow. Even engagement. I've seen people come here to engage themselves with their friends. Look at that. Your eyes won't be tired to sit down and look on the nature. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but me, I love to walk where there is nature. I feel like I'm so relaxed. My mind is so relaxed and I'm not worried much. I know life can be hard, but sometimes we hand over our problem to our God because that's what He said. And because we believe in Him, we get up, we go work, we know we are protected. We get up, we do things with our children, we know we are protected. Because sometimes we go to bed, we don't even know who is protecting us. But there's God who lives in heaven. That's what I believe. And I don't want anybody to believe in that, but I believe in myself. That knowing that I've got a Father who never sleeps. I've got a Father who never slumbers. I've got a Father who, when I call His name, He come. He always come. He never leave me to be mocked. He has never leave me to be humiliated. Because He knows I'm His daughter and I've got so much faith in Him. Sometimes there's certain things we don't know how to avoid or how to run away from it, because some they are nature, or some they are just like family issues. It's hard to run away from them, but when you go and you give your problem to Him, He knows how to handle it for you to be safe. Look at that. You come and sit here. Look at the ducks over there. Nature is very good, especially for people with mental illness. It's very good. Very, very good. It makes them calm. I wish our government could protect, or could even start like a project where people with mental illness can be treated in nature, and those who need medication, they can be given. I'm not saying they cannot, they can be given, but most is just like a disturbed mentally. See, like this one of the supermarket give this to this company. See, this is, see, they always say they've got little help. Look at that. Wow. See, so the bees have 5 eyes, 6 legs, and 2 pair of wings. This you can use it for children to memorize. So you come and walk with them, then you ask them these questions. They won't forget. They won't forget. So I hope you guys, we have learned something together, and we are going to take everything on board. And we see, this is for the community. See? These are the new trees. They've been planted very soon. There will be bloom. Wow. When I see these things, always my heart feel like I'm sliding back. Because our government officers, they come and they see all this. But when they leave here, they leave everything at the airport and go with their negative mind. When you're living here, you'll be asked to read this message here. Said, please be respected our nature and other hide users. Because there are some animals which are hidden, you cannot see them. So they are just reminding us to be respectful. And this is a place where children can stay. See there? Yeah, so many cars, so many car parks. They've got more than 5 car parks around, and they are all full. I struggled to get a car park. That's why they closed the other one in front. So this is a learning curve, my people.